Hi, I'm Josh. Let's make green chilli paste. If, like me, whenever you go to the Indian store, I stock up on green finger chillies and often find that if I don't use them fast enough, they start to get mouldy or soggy. To begin, make sure your chillies are clean and slice off all the stems. Add them to a blender along with a little salt and oil and then blitz until the chilli paste is the consistency you require, adding more oil if required. You can use water instead of oil, but oil is a better carrier of capsaicin, and water will also split when you add it into a hot pan. The salt acts as a preservative and increases the shelf life of the paste. If you don't add salt and you store your chilli paste in the refrigerator, the green chilli paste may change to dark or blackish green. Store in the refrigerator for up to 10 days or freeze in cubes for around 6 months. Find this and all my recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.